Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video, I will show you how to block websites on Google Chrome. First, you have to open Google Chrome, then you have to type Chrome Web Store in the search bar. Click on the first website. In the search bar on the left side, you have to type block website. Click on this extension. You have to click on Add to Chrome, then click to add extension. Now you will be shifted to this menu, and here you have to type the website name, then you want to block. Click to the add item, then go to the new page, search Instagram, go to the page, and the site is blocked. Thanks for watching.